Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you the basic of pen tool on straight paths. So let's start. So you can see I have taken an image and it's all are straight paths. So I am going to take the pen tool and changing the outline color. I am going to drawing first this one. Click this point, then click here, click this one and click on this. So the next one, click this point, just click on the 4 points, that's it. And the third one, it's very simple. This is the basic of pen tool on a straight path. Just click all over the point on the all points. I'm going to draw the last one. You have to click just on the point, but that's it. It's very simple, you can do it very easily. So you can see it's straight path. You can draw it easily by pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. And you can download this image. Links given below. So guys, thank you for watching the video and please watch pen tool lesson 2.